So, ladies and gentlemen, the work is in progress. As you can see, there is no radiator support, core support basically. It's right here. Okay, well, let me get back to this in a second. So I found that water pump had a leak. It's hard to see, but right here and underneath here, you can see. So it's been leaking, so it's better to replace it. Luckily, this is the motor similar to regular Toyota Camry, like the older one with 2.4 motors, so that water pump is not expensive at all. Now, let's get to the radiator support. Okay, so it's called radiator core support. This is originally from the car. Again, 2010 through 12 Lexus HS. This radiator support right here, it's from 2011 or 10 Toyota Prius. Any Prius would work. Okay, here's the interesting part about it. So this support is only available brand new, and the price varies between $450 and $850. So be my guess if you want to buy a brand new one. Or you can get this one used for around $125 approximately, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less if you can find it. There's actually a lot more options for this support. Basically, it's a support. You need a radiator core support to use on this car. It will work in actually many other Toyota Lexus cars. You can write in the description. You can write me a comment, and I will give you more details. Anyway, so in order for this to work on that, you need to drill these brackets out, one bracket on each side, from a Lexus HS. It's 3 points to drill out. Okay. Now, on a Toyota Prius radiator support, you have to drill out this bracket and this bracket, and then you put this one instead. You see, like this. Okay, and on the other side, you have to drill out this bracket and this bracket. So two brackets on each side from that, and then this goes in place, and that's it. You just save yourself a lot of money. All right, don't worry. The welding points are in the same spot. You can see here, here, and one right here. This one has similar welding points. So they will go in the same area. This is downpipe that goes in the exhaust system. Now look at this. This is 90 degrees bent, whatever it's called. Heat shield was on both sides, and I took one off, and look how it is. So now I'm gonna modify it, because this piece cost about $400, this whole thing, and then I need to basically pay shipping and wait, or whoever has it and whatever. I don't have much time, so a couple of dollars for this thing and welding. Luckily I could take it off, so that's it. Gonna do it. Look.
Damn, this is nice.
Nice car.
Whoa.
You took it to the show? Wow, I didn't even think there were any around anymore.
That's right.
I was looking for one long time ago. It was in the garage, like almost rotted. There was no interior or anything. Damn, I did not expect to see this thing. 75. Okay. Nice, nice. Keep it up. Thanks for restoring it too. Another interesting
plate along Highway 55. Look at this. Look at these old cars. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty interesting in sense of what kind of cars you have here. I should stop here some other time.
Lexus is in front of a paint booth, getting ready to be painted. Well, not painted just the way it is, but still a little bit of preparation work needed. Again, it's another sort of weekend project, you can call it like that. But anyway, we have to take the bumper off and start getting it ready for basically paint. All right, Chris is here. Chris is gonna do all the work and I'm going to be helping him. Even the grill, the lower bumper grill. So the car is back in a place where I have all the projects and nobody can bother me. You know, all the 30s and, you know, all the other stuff. Anyway, getting ready to put this thing together. So the headlights first and then the bumper. Here are the headlights. They're a little dirty. And then you can see that it has this yellowish stuff, you know. This is just a little bit of dust, but this, you can just get it out or polish it. And here too, all this faded stuff, you know, anyway. So I have to do what I usually do. I have to sand it down and paint it. Let's begin this project. Now it's ready for paint. So let's see what's gonna happen after the paint. Well, since the headlight is off, might as well show you how to replace this. Very easy. You can do it even in the car. H11 comes out, new H11 goes in. For chip, we're still using this style. In the future, I'm gonna show you something different. Screw it right in here. And that's it, ready to go. I might want to change these things to something nicer. Oh, what is this right here? This I will probably leave alone for right now. This is parking light. Oh, this one probably want to put something bigger, brighter. Alright, something like this. Preferably if you do this, you insert this while still connected to the car, so this way you know the polarity. Okay, this is it, that's it. This one also is gonna come out. I decided that I'm gonna put LED in here. So we're gonna leave it off right now. Before putting this on the car, we need to make sure that this is a turn signal bulb, so make sure that LED works while in here. And I have some interesting solution for this. You guys gonna like it. Here's a result after painting. Please, I repeat, please do not think that if you get a spray paint from one of these crappy so-called auto parts store and do the same job. Please don't. All right, let's just put it on the car now. So make sure that the headlights are on. The switch. What you do is you connect high beams. There's high beams, yes. Low beams, we have LED. Okay. Now, this is like parking light or something. Oh, yeah, parking light. See, it shoots out of here and through here as well. Okay. Now, as far as turn signal, make sure the turn signals are on or hazard lights are on. Okay. Now, plug this in. And then you have to test it. Because again, these have polarities. Oof. Does it look like strobe? Yes, it does. The strobe effect.